Hello and welcome once again to Dad's Desk. This is Rusty. In this video series, we will look at the process for adding a new record into a couple of tables in a database by the use of SQL commands. So let's take a look at the fields in the Access database itself. I'll just open that one up, and you can see the two tables we will be working with are TBL Customer and TBL Balance. I separated this out because it just gave me some more functionality for what I wanted to do. The CustNo or customer number field is numeric in this one. Then we have the FName or first name field, and it has a field size of 20. The last name or LName field has a size of 30. The street has a size of 30. The city of 20. The state, 2 characters, and the zip code 10. Now if we look at the balance table, the real difference here is that the customer is a short text field also with a max field size of 6, because on the customer table I will use that numeric entry to pull in to increment for the next customer number, and on the balance table I just need to push it over there. Now for the current balance or cur balance and the credit limit, both of these are text fields with a size of 6, because for me that just seemed to work a little bit easier as far as the manipulation and working with the data, and that's why I did it that way. Now if we take a look at the form itself, you will notice on this text box right here called txt custno, the read only property is set to true, because that's where we will pull in and do the coding for the customer number. Then for each of these text boxes, for last name, first name, street, city, and zip code, those are all set to the corresponding sizes I just discussed. I put the last name first because usually in data entry we put the last name then the first name. Now for the state and the credit limit on that one, these are combo boxes, and they have, I just put a few states in each one of these. So on the combo box I put about 4 states, as you can see: Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. And for the credit limit, it has just the 3 different levels they can have: 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000. I don't give them a real big credit limit. The current balance, we will hard code that, because when they create or we add a new customer, they don't have a current balance. It's going to be 0. They have not made any purchases. Okay, so let's just give this a quick run to see how it works. There we go. Clicked on the start button, and it went out and found that the last record in there actually had a number of 101124, so it increased that by 1. And then we'll go ahead and put in the data. We'll call this a droid and give it a name of Ann on 111 Robot Road. Kind of making this up as I go. Mobile, Missouri, that sounds pretty good. 65111. I don't know if that's right or not. Making that one up also. Credit limit 1,500. We click on add. Boom, everything looks pretty good. If we wanted to, we could go in and add another record. Let's see if that actually did add it into the database itself now. And by opening the database back up, we can scroll down. There's Android with a balance, just like that, and a credit limit of 1,500. And you'll notice I added a couple of extra zeros right there. We'll talk about that as we go through the project, okay? All right, I'll let that do it for this one. In the next one, we'll go ahead and get started with our coding. Thank you for watching.